Hello guys and welcome to this new trip report. Today I'm flying on one of the shortest air Baltic route from Riga to Tallinn. Riga airport is well designed and it's very easy to catch a connecting flight here. I landed 25 minutes ago from Berlin and I'm already at the boarding gate for my flight to Estonia. Although there is a jet bridge available at this gate, we board the aircraft while walking, but even though we are in the Baltics, the weather is very nice here in August. Look, almost all the boarding gates at this terminal are unused. Boarding the 4-year-old A220 still wearing the old Air Baltic livery. Air Baltic provides small care kits for everyone, which includes a hand sanitizer and a face mask, and they just let you take any. Now I will take 2. I'm sitting in 9F today. I have a pretty nice engine view, but it really doesn't matter now for the next 30 minutes in dark.
The mask over your mouth and nose and make sure it is well adjusted before helping others.
There are many empty seats on this flight today, and behind me almost everyone has a free row. I really appreciate those small overhead screens. They give you information about our location, weather, and display connecting flights and gates as well. And of course they do advertisement on the screens during the whole flight. This flight is very short. At this point we are flying for 15 minutes and I think we already starting our descent into Tallinn. They turned on a red-orange mood lighting for landing. I think it looks very cool. At this point we are seconds away from touching down at Tallinn airport. It's 2 minutes after midnight actually, and we are almost down. I like the huge windows of the A220, they look so cool even during night.
Welcome to Tallinn, where the local time is 10 minutes past midnight. And please take care when opening the all hand lockers. While reaching for your hand baggage and disembarking, please keep your distance from other passengers as much as possible. On behalf of Baltic, thank you for choosing to fly with us. It has been our pleasure having you on board, and we hope to welcome our flights again. Have a good rest. Goodbye.
By the way, I counted 3 airBaltic pilots sitting as a passenger on this flight. I think airBaltic may send them to Tallinn base with this flight every night, and then they can operate the morning Tallinn departures of airBaltic. And I'm already deboarding the aircraft 10 minutes after midnight. This plane is flying to Brussels today morning actually, and I'm also flying on this day, which I have already made a trip report about. I was flying to Berlin via Riga on board airBaltic as well. If you're interested, make sure to check it out. Alright guys, thank you for watching this trip report. If you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm coming with a very similar flight review very soon. See ya, bye bye.